has smoked it. I'll definitely.
Hey guys, it's Editing Ashley right now. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. The links are all in the.
You guys, my YesStyle package finally came. I'm just opening it up now. These are the pants. I hope they fit. They're like, it's high-waisted, but then it's like flare bottoms. I got a lot of stuff. But I only spent, I think, how much did I spend? I spent like 50. I think that's how much I spent. It's my receipt. So much bubble wrap. Got a pair of socks. Just normal. I got a pair of chopsticks. Let me open it up. Okay, no. They look nice. Let's see if I can pick this up. Oh, it's a chapstick. I really wanted a pair. What else do I have? A little sample thing. It's Centella Unscented Serum from Perito. I'll just put it with the rest of my skincare. I didn't realize I didn't even clean this table off before I started putting stuff on it. What else? What else? Ooh, my contacts case. This is cute. It's galaxy theme, and I'm kind of obsessed. I mean, let me show. Galaxy, and I have like 4 more galaxy themed paintings in my room. Or 1, 2, the border of a picture frame. That's sunset. Well, that one, and I have 1 more. So that's like 5. Let's see. Look how cute it is. It's nice and sparkly. With, which way is it? Open this way. Oh, it has a little mirror. And then it has a little container for your contact solution. This looks like a pair of tweezers, I guess, if you need help taking it out. And this also, I've seen stuff like this. It's like a little suction thingy that you can put on it. But I won't be using that because I'm an expert in taking contacts out. I've had them since, God, the 5th grade. And then a little case with the left and right on it. I'm gonna keep it in my backpack. Next product. I got these little temporary tattoos. Galaxy theme. I have a problem. I know. What else did I get? I got some CosRX acne pimple patches. I actually have a pimple right here, and I had 2 on my forehead last night, so tonight before I go to bed I'll put some on. I got 2 sets of face razors. I like to shave over here, and I do my upper lip, and that's it. My eyebrows, I don't touch them. All natural. I don't do anything to them. What is this? Oh, and then 2 pairs of underwear. I won't show that on camera. Maybe I will. And then a bunch of pens. A little 4-pack. Do I have paper over here? Yeah, I do. So let me test them out. So much plastic. Why do you guys use so much plastic? It kills it. All that plastic for 4 pens. 2, 3, 4. Should I do the back of this? And then, where's this? 0.5. Oh yeah, this one's really fun. Look at it. Hello, it's me. That's pen number 1. Pen number 2, also 0.5. It looks, the top looks like this. It looks the same as the other one. Hello. Oh, that one turned out a little better. I wrote it right under the other one. Then there's this one. They all look nice. They're all like fountainy pens, or not like ballpoint ones. There's number 3. And then this one's the last one. It has a little boop. And then let me take the red thing off the top. And oh, this one's my favorite. Let me sign my name, Ashley. I was gonna do my whole name, but I stopped. I like them. I like using different type of pens and pencils. I'm gonna go try the pants on. See if they fit. I got them in a large. What brand are they? They're BB Chic plain. It's not the crop top, but it's the jeans. Let me go try them on. Where's the seal? And then, oh, it has a smell to it. I'll definitely need to wash. Ooh. I think these are. They seem huge though. Let me go try them on. I got them on. They fit. They're a little tight in the waist, but I got hips, so I think if I lose like 2 or 3 more pounds, like this. I did have to cut the little button. It's a snug fit. Like, if I lose a little bit over here, it won't be as. But otherwise, it fits good, it feels good. Like, look at this. That's my bad. Thank you for watching. Let me take my shirt.